Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you how to create the Crystal AB cross bead earrings. These earrings have a sparkling Swarovski crystal cross bead attached to an ear wire to create a quick and easy pair of earrings perfect for any time of year. To make these earrings, you're going to need two 14mm Crystal AB Swarovski Crystal cross beads, two of these 21 gauge silver-plated base metal 2-inch head pins with a 2mm ball, one pair of base metal flat French ear wires with a coil in 17mm, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutters. You can find all of these product links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. So to make these Crystal AB cross bead earrings, you first want to take your head pin, and you just want to take your cross bead and put that on your head pin. And you're just going to want to make a simple loop at the top here. So take your chain nose pliers, and just bend a 90-degree angle. And then take your wire cutters and cut about 3/8 of an inch away. And then you just take your round nose pliers and grasp the end of the wire and rotate around the plier to create a loop. Just like that. And now you just want to take your ear wire, take your chain nose pliers, just open that loop up, attach the loop from your head pin, and then just close your wire right back up. And there you have it. Just repeat that for your other earring, and you have a cute pair of Swarovski Crystal cross earrings to wear for any occasion. You can find all of the tools and materials for our Crystal AB cross bead earrings at fusionbeads.com.